Hey there guys, it's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and today we're at 329 Young Street in Fitzroy, and we're painting the exterior of a 3-level building because there's some cracks on the facade and potentially allowing water to get inside to the building. So we're going to do some repairs. They're minor cracks, they're only hairline type cracks, but nonetheless they need to be repaired and filled so that there's no risk of water getting in. I'll show you what we're doing. Check this out. So we've got the boom lift here today, and that's the only way we're going to get access to this 3rd level of the building. So the entire facade is going to get a paint and it's going to get sealed, and then from there we're going to, while we're up there, clean the windows for the customer, because you can imagine they don't often get cleaned being that high up. So that's what we're doing today. It's going to get 2 coats of this protective membrane, and then from there we'll be comfortable that the property will be sealed and it won't allow water penetration in to damage any of the plaster surfaces on the inside. So this is a really narrow street. Nonetheless, we can still do the work here. There's no issue. And we've contacted the council and approved and received approval to work here. We have a permit and all the relevant insurances, and we've been doing this since 2005, so we are fully licensed and insured to do this kind of work and to operate these types of elevated working platforms. This one's called the boom lift, most commonly known as a cherry picker, and that's the only way you're going to be able to do this job. The thing about this is this job won't look dramatically different when we're done, because we're just painting it with basically the same color that's already up there. So at the end of the job, it should just look fresh and clean, and this house will then be ready to be put on the market for the owner to sell. So if you're looking for a painting quote in Melbourne, Australia, give us a call. That's Bill from Melbourne City Painting, 0403 162 374. All right guys, so here we are. It's the end of the day and we've been able to get all the work done. We've completely painted the front of the building and we've cleaned all the windows at heights, and we're ready to hand over to the client. Let me show you what it looks like. And I thought there wasn't going to be a lot to see, because I thought it was going to be very minor difference compared to what we started with, but as you can see, the place is looking really sharp, it's really fresh, and it's ready to hand over to the client so that they can list it for sale. If you need any painting, call Bill 0403 162 374.